14.1 exercise third sum. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children. The mean is 18. Find F. Now he gave mean 18. We will find F. Where is F? Frequency. There is F. We will find F. మన F ని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. F వాల్యూ ఎంత? సో ఫస్ట్ మీన్ కట్టాలి. మనం డైరెక్ట్ మెథడ్ లో చేద్దాం. మీన్ సే డైరెక్ట్ మెథడ్ సో Fi xi మిడ్ వాల్యూ xi 11 13 11 plus 13 24 24 average 24 by 2 12. What is the difference between h is 2? The difference is 2. 13 minus 11 2. You will add every number, add 2 12 14 14 plus 2 16 16 plus 2 18 18 plus 2 20 20 plus 2 22 24 23 25 48 48 by 2 24 mid value. Next Fi xi Fi xi Fi mean xi. So Fi into xi 7 into 12 7 12s are 84 6 into 14 6 14s are 84 9 16s are 144 9 6 are 54 4 5 9 1s are 9 plus 5 14 as well as 13 18s are 234 20 into F 20 F 20 into F 20 F ఇది మనకి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి దాని అలా వచ్చాయి 5 22 ద 110 5 2 ద 10 0 5 2 ద 10 plus 1 11 4 4 ద 16 1 4 2 ద 8 plus 1 9. This is the Fi xi. So sigma Fi xi total చేద్దాం. Sigma Fi xi total చేస్తే 4 plus 4 8 12 16 not count but 20 F it's not count 16 plus 0 16 16 plus 6 22 2 2 plus 8 10 18 22 25 26 plus 26 plus 9 35 26 plus 9 35 3 3 plus 1 4 6 7 7 752 plus 20F plus 20F అంటే దీని టోటల్ చేయొద్దు ఇవన్నీ టోటల్ చేస్తే 752 plus 20F as well as you will find total frequency 7 plus 6 13 13 plus 9 22 22 plus 3 25 30 34 3 3 plus 1 4 44 plus F 44 plus F frequency total దీన్ని sigma Fi is equal to 44 plus F sigma Fi x is equal to 752 plus 20F. Okay, next mean is equal to mod x is equal to sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi is equal to 18 he gave mean 80 also. So sigma fi value 752 plus 20f by sigma fi value 44 plus f 44 plus f is equal to 18. 44 plus f is equal to 18. So 752 plus 20f is equal to 18 into this is divided. So this will go to that side. Multiply 44 plus f. 752 plus 20f is equal to 18 into 44. 18 into 44, 792 plus 18 into f, 18f, 792. So 20f minus plus 18f this side minus 18f. 792 minus 752 that side minus 752. 20f minus 18f 2f is equal to 792 minus 752 40. F is equal to 40 by 2. 2 is multiplied. That side divided. 2 1 is 220 is. F is equal to 20. F value is equal to 20. Find F value 20. Next to fourth sum. Find mean as well as 1 and 2 sums. First to second sums लाया जाता है. Number of orbits, number of woodbine. 65, 68, 68, 71, 71, 74, 74, 77, 77, 80, 80, 83, 83, 86. So frequency 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 4, 2. Find mean. First we will xi mid value 65 68 65 plus 68 133 by 2 5 plus 8 13 1 6 plus 6 plus 1 13 by 2. So 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 1.5. 66.5. 2 6 are 12. 1 on 13. 2 6 are 12. 1 only. So 0.0. So 2 5 are 10. 66.5. You will. What is the difference? The difference is 68. 65. 3 is the difference. So h value 3. We will add every number at 3. 3 add cheste 69.5. 3 add cheste 72.5. 3 add cheste 75.5. 3 add cheste 78.5. 3 add cheste 81.5. 3 add cheste 84.5. 84.5. Next ui is equal to xi minus a by h. ui value xi minus a by h. xi, what is the xi? The highest value is 8. This is the class, highest value class, mean class. This is a. highest value తిన్నగా ఉన్న మిడ్ వాల్యూని a గా చూపిస్తాం. highest value లో తిన్నగా ఉన్న దాన్ని మిడ్ వాల్యూ a. అంటే xi లోంచి a తీసేసి దాన్ని h అంటే h వాల్యూ 3 చేత డివైడ్ చేస్తే వాల్యూ వేస్తాం. కానీ మనకి అలా కాకుండా సింపుల్ గా చెప్పుకున్నాం. ఎలాగంటే హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ తిన్నగా 0 పైని -1 -2 -3 కింద 1 2 3 హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ కింద 0 -1 -2 -3 so below positive 1 2 3 so next fi ui ui means fi ui 2 -3 is a -6 4 -2 is a -8 3 -1 is a -3 8 0 is a 0 7 1 is 7 4 2 is a 8 2 3 is a 6 so -6 plus 6 కొడియొచ్చు -8 plus 8 తీస్తే 7 -3 7 -3 value 4 sigma fi ui value 4 so sigma fi value 2 plus 4 6 6 plus 3 9 9 plus 8 17 17 plus 7 24 24 plus 4 28 28 plus 2 30 is the main so main is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h so h is equal to 3 68 minus 65 a we know a is equal to 75.5 75.5 plus sigma fi ui 4 by sigma fi 30 into h is equal to 3 75.5 plus 3 1 3 times 4 by 10 75.5 plus 10 by 4 means 0.4 10 just divide చేస్తే ఒక స్థానాంతర పాయింట్ పెట్టవచ్చు so both are adding 4 plus 5 9 point so 75 plus 75.9 is the answer main value 75.9